Welcome to Brave Browser Privacy Setup.
Discover how to maximize your privacy protection with Brave Browser. In this tutorial, we'll walk through simple steps to configure Brave's built-in settings and shields, ensuring your browsing stays as private and secure as possible.
Enabling Brave Shields for protection.
Brave Shields block ads, trackers, and more by default. To confirm they're active, click the Brave icon in your address bar. Shields should be set to up for every site. You can fine-tune ad blocking, tracker blocking, and fingerprinting prevention under the Shield settings for even greater control.
Customizing privacy settings.
Go to Settings and select the Privacy and Security section. Enable options such as Send Do Not Track requests, clear browsing data on exit, and block third-party cookies. Consider turning off autocomplete searches and site suggestions for extra privacy while typing in the address bar.
Using private windows and Tor.
Brave offers private windows with or without Tor connectivity. Private windows prevent your browsing history from being saved, while Private Window with Tor gives an extra privacy layer by routing your traffic through the Tor network. Access these modes from the main menu for sensitive browsing.
Reviewing site permissions.
Control which sites can access your location, camera, or microphone. In Settings, navigate to Site and Shield Settings. You can adjust permissions for every site, blocking unwanted access and minimizing your digital footprint.
Keep Brave and extensions updated.
Regular updates help protect your privacy. Brave frequently releases privacy improvements and security fixes. Check for updates in the browser settings. Also, only install trusted extensions and review their permissions to avoid compromising your privacy.
Enjoy safer, private browsing.
Congratulations on setting up Brave for maximum privacy. With these settings, you're taking important steps to shield your personal data and enjoy a safer, more private browsing experience every day.